Supreme Court of India Shatrughna Atmaram Patil and others versus Vinod Dodhu Chaudhary decided on January 30, 2024 SCC Online SC 80 facts of the case. The premises in dispute were owned by one Rajiv Ramrao Chavan. He sold the property to 5 persons, deed registered sale deed dated October 27, 2021. Unfortunately, Rajiv Ramrao Chavan died allegedly having committed suicide on March 8, 2022 and having left behind a suicide note, naming the tenants as abettors. FIR was registered under Section 306 IPC. Tenants were called to the concerned police station were also forced to sign some documents, apparently giving their consent of vacating the premises voluntarily. 2 tenants, Vijay Kumar Vishwanath Dewale and Vinod Dodhu Chaudhary, before the magistrate. 13 accused were named, namely Dr. Sanjeev Ramrao Chavan i.e. brother of the deceased, Smita Rajiv Chavan i.e. widow of the deceased, the 5 purchasers mentioned above under the sale deed dated 27 October 2021, and 6 police personnel namely, Shatrughna Atmaram Patil, Jaipal Manikrav Hire, Milind Ashok Bamare, Suryakant Raghunath Salunke, Nilesh Subhash Moore and Sunil Kotak Hatkar. Magistrate ordered inquiry under Section 202C RPC. The Sessions Judge directed in revision that the complaint filed before the magistrate under Section 156(3) CRPC be forwarded to the concerned police station for registration and investigation. High Court not only approved the order of the Sessions Judge but also issued further directions regarding investigation. Findings of the court. During the pendency of the petitions, it appears that some settlement has been arrived at between the complainants and the 13 accused. We find that the continuance of these 2 criminal proceedings would not be of any avail once the complainant has himself stated to withdraw the complaint. Their losses having been compensated, any further investigation or trial would be an exercise in futility. However, what we are not satisfied with is why the police personnel have been allowed to go scot-free in a case where they had an apparent role in conspiring and in abetting the crime of the illegal detention of the tenants, coercing them to sign the document against their will, and getting the premises in question demolished without any order from a competent court. We, accordingly, direct that the 6 police personnel will suffer a cost of Rs.6 Lacs for each of the 2 complainants. The direction to suffer compensation to the tenants by the 6 police personnel will not be treated as adverse to their interest in consideration of their promotions etc. That is to say that this order may not be kept in their service records. Special leave petition allowed.